Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out a new budget category product. On my desk, I have a new pair of headphones to show you all. They're a brand new model from boAt called the Bassheads 950. So these are a new affordable wired budget headphones from the company and come in this sort of box packing. You've got the boAt branding at the top, a picture of the product on the front, and has some of its features mentioned over here. Let me show you. It's got a multi-function button that can even be used to activate voice assistant, has super extra bass, and also comes with a built-in microphone. So those are some of its highlights. Let's see what else is written on the box packing. You've got the boAt branding on all the sides and has some more details at the back side. It's got premium HD quality sound, has 40mm dynamic drivers, a dual-tone premium design, offers a comfortable experience, and also comes with an inline microphone. Well, that's it guys, those are all of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this, and this is how the inside looks like. The boAt Bassheads 950 come nicely packed in this box. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal on the box. I want to thank boAt for sending me this product for review. Alright, let me take them out and show you. So on opening the box, we got the headphones at the top. Let me just take them out. So here they are, the boAt Bassheads 950. They come only in this one color, black and silver, and look pretty good from my first impressions. These headphones have an on-ear design and feel quite lightweight in the hand. So before I show them to you in detail, let's see what else do we get in the box. So below this tray, we've got a packet of accessories which includes a detachable 3.5mm audio cable. It's got two individual 3.5mm jacks with left and right markings on them, and also has an inline remote control with a multi-function button and also a built-in microphone. Along with that, you got some paperwork which includes a warranty card, a product catalog, and a user manual. Just make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So that's it, these are all the items we got in the package. Now let me finally show you the headphones. So this is how boAt's new Bassheads 950 look like. They've got a very slim profile with a sleek metallic finish. The build quality looks pretty good for the price point. You've got the boAt logo on both the sides and has a beautiful radial metallic disc with a CD-like texture on top of it. Gives a premium feel to the headphones. Apart from that, rest of the body is entirely made of high quality plastic. Talking about the drivers, it's got 40mm dynamic drivers and has a frequency response range from 20Hz to 20,000Hz. This is how the headband looks like. You've got the boAt branding at the top, and the headband is entirely covered in a protein leather which offers decent cushioning. As I've shown you earlier, these headphones have a foldable design. That means it can be completely folded like this so that you can carry them easily. We've got the boAt branding on both the sides as well as the left and right indications just below that. Okay, let me show you the earpads. The Bassheads 950 have an on-ear design, and this is how the earpads on them look like. The quality of the earpads is nice, they're made of protein leather and are nicely padded with soft cushions to offer you a comfortable experience while wearing. Alright, let's see what else do we have on the headphones. So going to the bottom side, you've got two 3.5mm ports on both of them. This is where you need to connect that audio cable. Make sure you connect it properly. The cables have left and right indications on them, so check that first before connecting. And that's it guys, your headphones are all ready to be used. Now let me just show you the inline remote control and the cable quality. We only have one button here which is a multi-function button, and on the other side there's a microphone. It's got a decent quality cable with a length of 1.8 meters that runs down to this connecting point. And this is its 3.5mm headphone jack. So that was our complete overview on the design and the build quality. Now let me just connect them to my phone, put them on, and talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The boAt Bassheads 950 have a foldable design and can be easily extended like this to fit almost any head size. They're very lightweight and feel really comfortable for long time usage. But since they have an on-ear design, the noise cancellation is not that great. Talking about the audio quality was good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear and I could clearly understand all the dialogues. The bass was also nice and punchy, all thanks to its big 40mm drivers. You'll be quite satisfied with the bass. But coming to the treble, the high frequency response was not that great. I felt the treble quality was average. And also guys, one more thing I'd like to mention is, these headphones do not have that good stereo separation. But again, considering its budget price tag, we can't complain much. On the overall, the audio quality was pretty good for that price range. The distortion was minimum up to 85% volume level. Beyond that, you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also loud and satisfactory. I've told you right, the Bassheads 950 also have a built-in microphone. The mic quality was decent during call conversations. Well, that was it for today, guys. That was my review on boAt's new budget wired headphones. The build quality is good, they are quite comfortable to wear and offer good audio quality with punchy bass on a budget. The boAt Bassheads 950 cost about 999 rupees. I'll just leave a link to them in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.